Welcome to Craftify Tutorials. Today we're going to work on how to create a campaign in Craftify. So you're going to start off over here on the left hand side choosing campaigns, and right up here we're going to choose new campaign. To create a new campaign, we have all of these prompts here to help us get started. So what we want to do is give Craftify a little bit of information first. So first of all, the internal name for your campaign. So it's just a name for you. So I'm going to make this Halloween 2024. What is the primary objective of your campaign? What we're going to do is choose a topic for our goal for our campaign. I'm going to choose engagement. But you can obviously choose whichever one you need for your specific campaign. Now, what special event or theme does your campaign focus on? Our special event is that it's Halloween and we have some spooky deals, 30% off a year subscription through November 3, for example. Now we can select a date and a time range for your campaign. So like I said, today is the 31st of October, and I'm gonna end this on the 3rd of November. So something really short and sweet from 9 a.m. to 9 a.m. Great. Now I can choose an audience from an audience that I've created from before, or just work with the audience that we find here automatically created. And then we can also choose a keyword set. Some of these keyword sets are just automatic based off of our branding, but I can also choose a transaction set of words. So let's go ahead and use those. It looks great. All right, and go ahead and click next. Now Craftify is going to use all of that information, all of that context to create a campaign based off of that. And either you can write it yourself, we have that option here, or you can allow Craftify to write it for you. Here's our campaign message. If you're unhappy with that and you want to craft more options, you can do so here. But if you're happy with this, you can also edit if you want to change some things up. But if you're happy with this, we'll go ahead and click next. Next, we're going to create this campaign slogan, and Craftify will give us a few different options here. Bewitch the inbox, enchant the market. That's really cute. All right, so we're going to choose a slogan here. Click done. Go forward. Here is our campaign. So now that we've made a campaign, we can create a craft based off of that campaign to go ahead and get that information out there. So we can create social media posts based off this campaign, blog posts, emails, any kind of craft that you need to get the word out about this specific campaign. What we've done is we've created the context to go forward to make a great craft. All right, so I'll see you later in another tutorial on how to use this campaign in a craft. So stay tuned and have a great day.